This video explains sectional view of a cone when the cone stands vertically and cut by a plane perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. Let us see a problem. A cone of 50 mm diameter and 75 mm long is resting on its base on the HP. It is cut by a sectional plane which makes an angle of 60 degree with VP and is 10 mm away from the top view of the axis. Draw the sectional front view and the true shape of the section. Cone resting on the ground with its axis perpendicular to HP, section by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. Section portion is removed. Draw an XY line. Draw the plan of the cone as a circle. Divide the circle into equal number of divisions or equal number of parts. Name the divisions. Project all these points to draw the elevation. Draw the axis line and mark height of the cone on it. Complete the elevation. Mark divisional points for the base. Cutting plane is perpendicular to HP, so the sectioning of the cone must be done in the plan. Sectional plane is 60 degrees inclined to VP and 10 mm away from the axis. From the center of the circle in the plan, draw a 30 degree line inclined to XY line. Cutting plane is 10 mm away from the axis, so on this line, mark a point 10 mm from the center of the circle. Through this point, draw a line perpendicular to the 30 degree line. Now this line will be 60 degrees inclined to XY line because sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. This is the cutting plane which is 60 degrees inclined to VP. Mark the points wherever the cutting plane cuts the solid. Name these points. Project all these points to elevation. Point B will not be able to project directly. Rotate it to make it parallel to XY line. Project it to the corresponding generator line of the elevation. Then project it horizontally from the generator to the exact line. All other points can be projected directly. Name the corresponding points of elevation. Join this point by a smooth curve. The portion which is removed after sectioning should not be dark. Draw sectional lines in the closed region. This is the surface where cutting plane cuts the cone. To draw the true shape of the section in the plan, from the cutting plane, draw perpendiculars wherever the cutting plane cuts the solid. Draw a reference line parallel to the cutting plane. In the elevation, cutting plane cuts the cone in the base at A dash and E dash, which are on the XY line. These points in the true shape can be marked on the reference line itself. Measure distance of B dash from the elevation. Mark it on the line projected from B in the plan. Measure the distance of C dash from the elevation. Mark it on the line projected from C in the plan. Measure the distance of D dash from the elevation. Mark it on the line projected from D in the plan. Name these points on the true shape. Join BCDE with smooth curve and AE with a straight line. Draw sectional lines in this closed area. Show the dimensions and name the views.